Experiencing frequent disconnections with your Samsung Galaxy Watch? You're not alone. This video breaks down why this happens, especially with models like the Galaxy Watch 6 and 7. The primary culprit is often Bluetooth connectivity issues, specifically with Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE. Factors include signal interference from Wi-Fi routers or microwaves, outdated software on your watch or phone, and even hardware degradation in older watches. Let's dive into how to troubleshoot these common problems. Before diving into advanced solutions, try these quick fixes. First, restart both your Samsung Galaxy Watch and your paired smartphone. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, ensure both devices have sufficient battery. Low battery can disrupt Bluetooth connections. Then, clear the Bluetooth cache on your phone. Finally, make sure your Galaxy wearable app is up to date. Outdated versions can cause instability. Many users report success with these simple steps. Outdated software is a major cause of disconnections. Using the Galaxy wearable app, check for updates for both your watch's operating system, One UI Watch, and the app itself. Samsung regularly releases patches that improve Bluetooth stability and address known bugs. One UI Watch 5.1, for example, introduced enhanced reconnection protocols. Keeping your software current is crucial for a stable connection. Bluetooth signals are susceptible to interference. Common culprits include Wi-Fi routers, microwave ovens, and other electronic devices. Try moving away from potential sources of interference. Also, be aware of the Bluetooth range, which is typically around 10 meters. Walls and other obstacles can further reduce this range. If you're in a crowded environment with many devices, disconnections are more likely. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider more advanced steps. Resetting your Galaxy Watch to factory settings can resolve persistent software issues, but remember to back up your data first. You can also try clearing the cache partition on your watch through the recovery menu. For tech-savvy users, ADB, Android Debug Bridge, tools offer deeper diagnostics, but be cautious as this may void your warranty. Over time, your Samsung Galaxy Watch's battery can degrade, leading to unreliable Bluetooth connections. Similarly, sensor malfunctions can also cause disconnections. If your watch is several years old, consider whether hardware limitations are the issue. A battery replacement or professional repair may be necessary. Experts recommend a hardware longevity of about 3 years for optimal performance. Real-world examples from Galaxy Watch users demonstrate practical solutions to disconnection issues. Many have successfully fixed workout disruptions by manually updating Bluetooth firmware through the Galaxy wearable app, a method shared extensively in online forums. Others discovered that toggling airplane mode can quickly restore connections when near sources of interference, such as 5G towers, as shown in tech review videos. Community discussions on Samsung forums further highlight how these anecdotal fixes provide diverse approaches to resolving connectivity problems. Samsung is actively working to improve Galaxy Watch connectivity. The Galaxy Watch 8, launched in early 2026, features AI-driven reconnection algorithms that significantly reduce disconnects. Future software patches will incorporate machine learning for adaptive pairing, minimizing interference. The industry trend is moving towards hybrid connectivity, combining Bluetooth with Wi-Fi and LTE for more reliable connections. Stay tuned for ongoing improvements to the Samsung Galaxy Watch ecosystem.